Good morning, everybody. This is Sandy. Welcome to my channel. I have been working this week on my junk journal. I've gotten some pages done with the decorating. I'm still doing the process, which I'm doing a video of, so that will be up hopefully next week for you. I do have a video showing you how to make the cover and sew in your signature pages. I've also been waiting for the Junk Journal Companion Pack 2 of the Petals and Lace to arrive from Country Craft Creations, and I got it yesterday afternoon. I'm so excited, so I'll be able to add some of this in with my decorating. So stay tuned, and I'll just take a few minutes to show you what comes in this pack. Okay, so I've taken this out of the package and moved my junk journal out of the way. So as I said, this is a new pack that just dropped at the store. You can get it online. Petals and Lace Junk Journal Companion Pack 2. So I've been waiting on this one. I have the Companion Pack 1, and then of course I have the main collection of the Petals and Lace, and that's what I've been using in that junk journal. So here is the cover sheet, which is the same paper, the vellum, Bristol vellum, cotton Bristol, that everything's printed on. So you can actually use this if you want to do some stamping, maybe some coloring, watercolor or whatever. You could use the back of this. This is the branding sheet. So let's take a peek here. We have, let's see, 2 sheets of this beautiful recipe card with the roses and directions that you can fold if you wanted to cut that out and fold it. We have, it looks like a divider, some divider tabs, and a bingo card. The bingo card is beautiful with the roses, so I'll definitely cut that out. So we have 2 of those in this tone. Then we have 2 in this tone, the grayer looking recipe card without any images. And these are all blank on the back side so that you're not, having to cut out the front and the back. So I love these pink roses. This is another little pocket, and here's a beautiful tag. So you got 2 of those. 2 of this toned recipe card, kind of a pink. I love the film strip. This is like a topper, some tickets, and this little card here. Those are very, very pretty. Love that. Love those roses. 2 of those, and then 2 of the postcard. Look how pretty that is. And then this, like, what is that, an imitation or something? I don't know, it's just real pretty script in there. 2 more little flat pockets, an oval piece, a little tabby for a tag, and just some ephemera pieces. And then this piece here looks like a belly band or something could be used. We got 2 of those. And then what's exciting about this one, it comes with a cover. Now, of course, I can't use this with my junk journal book that I'm making, but this is like a folio, and you can fold it up and actually have a spine, and you get 2 of those to make you a little journal, little folio journal. And of course, you have the back side finished. And then this looks like score, burnish, and fold to make a folio. So these would be the pages, I presume. Those are beautiful. Look at the music notes and the pages and the flaps. So you get 2 of those. And then you get 2 of these cards. Now, there was a printing issue. They did flag it yesterday to let us know. These are double-sided, but when you cut it out here, it's not going to match up. So you're going to lose something, but you can still use these. They're reprinting them to make them line up on the front and the back. So just weren't quite lined up right. There's a ticket here. It's got the back side. And these are some heirloom paint chips. So those colors, that's kind of cool. You can just cut that out and tuck that in a pocket. But all these are great for adding into a pocket. And of course, the back side gives you a place to journal. So you just remember that when we cut these, they're going to be a little off. They're not going to, I can hold them all up and see they're off about probably about 1/4 of an inch, but that's okay. I'm going to use them. Future printings of that, they will be corrected. So that was just an oops on getting things lined up for the printer. So that is the Companion Pack 2. You can check that out on countrycraftcreations.com and place your order. Maybe you need some other supplies, and you can add this into your junk journal. And so I'm going to upload this video and share it, and then get back to work on my decorating of my junk journal so I can get that video done and uploaded for you, hopefully by first of next week, maybe. Fingers crossed. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.